Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG Dryer Door Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door gasket. The door gasket seals the dryer door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and hot air is leaking out, causing the dryer to run longer. In order to change the part, we have to take the door off the dryer. So we're going to put a towel across the top of the dryer so we can put the door up there. We don't want to scratch anything while we're working on it. Once you have the towel up there, we can open up the door. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the door hinge on. As you're taking the upper screw out, you want to hold on to the door and make sure it doesn't fall. Once you have the screws out, you can set the door up on top of the dryer. Now that we have the door on top of the dryer, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out all the screws that hold the inner panel on. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to separate the inner door liner and turn it over. Once you have it flipped over, you can lift up on it and just pull it off the door. It's just pushed in on a groove. All you have to do is go around the inner panel and pull it off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new gasket on, you have to set it in place. There's this little lip right here in the door gasket that we have to make sure goes onto the lip on the inner door panel. So we're going to push the door gasket down past the inner door liner and then come at it from the bottom. Just push it on. Once you get it started, you can put a clothespin here to hold it so it doesn't start pulling it back off. And we can just go around and put it in. Once you have it on all the way, you can take the clothespin off. Then we're going to go around the door and just make sure it's pressed in all the way. Once you have it in, you can turn the inner door panel over, set it back into place so we can use the Phillips screwdriver and put in all the screws. Once you have all the screws in, you can put the door back on the dryer. To put the door on, all you have to do is line up the hinge pins and set it into place. Then you can hold the door in place, use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.